Yeah, with the untouchable, the BOIGA Stone. Okay, it's a pleasure to have you on our show. What is the way forward and what is your experience in this Fancy Gadam album, competition album launch?
Oh, I'm feeling so excited and highly grateful. You know.
Okay, so what about where from the energy? Have you already performed?
Yes.
Okay, so where from your energy? Because looking at the way you were presenting it,
Yes.
what's your secret?
Yes, my secret is just a vim, my own vim. You know, sometimes when you have a passion to do something, yeah, you can do it as well as you want. Yes, that's my secret behind.
Okay, music is our passion. Oh yes, Shambhala, no passion, Mbalama. Simple for yet to talk about the piano. Urge your fans and management to support him. I support I am born the song Shambhala.
The support, yeah man, I'm gonna team man na ko supporter man, but I'm not interested in to help. On top of all the media man, BOIGA Stone on top contacted so we can do more about music. Yes.
Okay, we are good. Very grateful to have BOIGA Stone here, and if you don't mind, to drop a number in case Kasoba no contact her. I mean, I can problem now. I share a number on social media.
No problem.
Okay, boy, let's take
020-826-9177. Yeah.
Okay, and so I can link it up with BOIGA Stone. Go in with that. Thank you very much for coming to our show. Thank you. We are really grateful.